So today we're going to find out if you can weld your dual mass flywheels. Let's jump straight into it.
So I get asked quite a lot, can you just weld your dual mass flywheels up? And the answer is you can. You can weld them to avoid this much play. But there are different types of flywheels. As you can see, the weld point would have to be here on this one, and roughly here on this one, which would get in the way of the pressure plate. But we're just going to weld them up today anyway, just to show you.
So in this video I am going to show you that it is possible to weld your dual mass flywheels, but I am in no way suggesting that it is a good idea, as you'll soon find out in this video. So this flywheel is the type that you find in the Volkswagens. This particular one has come out of a Volkswagen Passat, and you've got to weld it down the side of the seam, otherwise you'd get interference from the pressure plate once you put the pressure plate over it. Now this welder is just a cheap welder that I bought from Screwfix. The setting that it's on as well is not the right setting. It's not high enough to weld steel like this, but it will lock the flywheel up for us temporarily, just to illustrate what can be done, but it also shows as well what shouldn't be done. So now we're starting the second seam here. So to lock this flywheel up, you'd want to weld it as many places as possible, but it still wouldn't guarantee that the weld would hold. It's not a good idea at all to weld flywheels up. It's time consuming, and for me to do this for a customer I'd charge at least £150. It's really not worth bothering with, as we'll soon find out.
Right, that's it. There you can see now the difference where it's been welded. Obviously there's no play in it at all now. Now let's move on to this one, side to side plate, up and down. It's quite a big gap that we've got to weld there.
Guys, this is a really quick setup. We're using the wrong welding rods and two lower ampage for doing this. We've not even knocked the slag off the welds, but you can see instantly the welds just aren't that great for it. Now, you can imagine once the engine throws any sort of force on the welds, even once it's done properly,
the other what the flywheel welds is
eventually. So the time
and the not cost moving at all.
On the actual mash flywheel just isn't worth it.
Let's take a look at the welds.
Flywheel.
So that's the first weld. And that's the second weld. Now, the force of the car going on it would probably break that away. She'd have to do that a bit better, but it's not really practical to weld flywheels up. Same with this one. The moment you put the bit of force on the flywheel, it'll just break it.